And you know what I learned from my grandma? Connect the history that you love with the story that you live and the future you're creating. Her version of it was, read it with me, make learning fun. How many of you feel like when you make it fun for your audience, they like it better and you get a better review and you're a better speaker? Just let me hit. Yeah. So what did I do? I took that out into my life. I went to Brown University, an Ivy League college. I graduated with a degree in history, but that's not what I'm known for there. It's not the history that I was studying. It's the history I helped to make. I was captain of the Brown University Ultimate Frisbee team. Ta-da! And I loved the position of being a speaker. So after I graduated, I said, now how can I continue to go out there in the world and bring all of this learning and making it fun, et cetera, et cetera? And I became a Frisbee festival and tournament organizer for 8 years after college. And I took it out to the world. Took Americans to China and to the Soviet Union and created citizen diplomacy tours and festivals all over the place. This is the Capitol Mall in Washington, D.C. with 25,000 people. And they're all throwing the Frisbee up in the air at the same time. Who do you think told them to do it? Ready, set? Yeah, that was my job. So then when it came time to get a little more serious and teach something a little more significant and make a little more money, and I came to Singapore and decided to become a service guy. So what was the first thing I did? Designed the t-shirt, right? The whole brand of Up Your Service that I'm known for started like, how am I gonna make the learning enjoyable? How am I gonna make it fun? And then we scaled that. And so every single time I teach about service, it's not just about service and creating value and having customers and having a strong culture, but actually making it enjoyable. And then that's what I do in my speeches. So I'm as often off the stage, out there in the audience with everybody, helping to have some. So take a moment right now, just use your hands, let's have some fun. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! And you know, you can take that everywhere in the world because people are people are people.